Hi friends, today we're diving into the ooey-gooey, stretchy, and squishy world of slime. Are you ready to learn and have some fun? Let's go! Slime is a squishy, stretchy substance made from glue, water, and a magic ingredient called activator. It's like science you can play with. Slime is a mix of science and creativity. It's fun to play with and comes in all colors and textures. Slime became super popular in the 1970s when a toy company made it. But people have been making squishy stuff for fun for a long time. Can you believe slime has been around for over 50 years? It's true. People loved playing with it back then, just like you do now. Slime happens when glue and activator combine to make stretchy chains called polymers. It's like magic, but really it's science. The glue and activator create something stretchy and fun. There are so many kinds: fluffy slime, glitter slime, clear slime, and even crunchy slime. What's your favorite kind of slime? Let's take a look at some of the most popular ones. All right, let's get started. Making slime is super easy. You just need a few simple ingredients. Let's go through the steps. First, you'll need 1 cup of glue. Next, you will need a ½ cup of water. Then, you will add your activator. Mix it all together and play. Slime is safe when you follow the rules. Always wash your hands before and after playing with slime. Never, ever eat slime. Yuck! And ask an adult for help. These rules will help you stay safe when playing with slime. It's very fun to play with slime. Slime isn't just for squishing. You can do all kinds of cool things with it. What's your favorite? Here are some super cool facts about slime. Did you know it can glow in the dark? How awesome is that? Or that some slimes smell like fruit. Could you imagine slime smelling like yummy strawberries? They even use slime in movies to make scenes look creepy and spooky. Thank you for joining me on this slimy adventure. I hope you learned a lot about slime. I can't wait to see what kinds of slime you create. And remember, be safe, don't be afraid to ask an adult for help. And most of all, have fun.